if your carpet cleaner actually makes your carpet cleaner. I give you the residue test. We took 3 carpet samples, and we got them nice and disgusting. Next, we cleaned each one with a different carpet cleaner. Once cleaned, our boot machine simulated 6 months of wear and tear. Each sample was regularly vacuumed and spent the same amount of time on the machine. How did each cleaner do? Behold, residue. Residue. 0 residue. Why is Zerorez so much better? And why is this pudding so good? Seriously, I should eat more pudding. Zerorez is better because it doesn't leave behind dirt attracting residue. Sure, when you use other cleaners, at first the carpets may look great and smell great, but they do not taste great. Or so I've heard from somebody else. Zerorez is different. They don't use soap or harsh chemicals, and they clean your carpet better than both. So you get all the good without the bad. It's like eating as much pudding as you want, but without the calories. That would be amazing. With Zerorez, my carpet actually is cleaner, and it stays cleaner longer. So click the link above to schedule your cleaning with Zerorez today. Don't believe me? Just ask science.
Independent lab tests show that other carpet cleaners leave behind over 200% more residue than Zerorez. In technical terms, those other guys leave behind a whole lot of crap. So how does Zerorez get so much out? Easy. There's 3 steps. First, unlike most cleaners, Zerorez uses counter-rotating brushes.
Months of wear and tear.
The embedded dirt that's stuck in the carpet fibers. This is stuff your vacuum can't reach. Next, Zerorez uses a patented wand that is designed to completely rinse the carpet fibers without ever flooding the padding. Because if your carpet pad gets wet, it becomes a breeding ground for all sorts of bacteria. Instead of soap or harsh chemicals, Zerorez uses electrolyzed oxidative water, or powered water, which is strong enough to dissolve dirt and oils, yet safe enough to drink. And if you're wondering if electrolysis is the process in which the molecular structure of the water is altered dramatically, creating NaOH to help emulsify the water droplets, emulsify the dirt and oils, then yes, you are correct, you nerd. I'm just kidding, I love science.
Zerorez employs the latest green technology, which means it's completely safe for the environment and my kids, which is good because they eat a lot of crap off the floor. Like all the time. Promise it's pudding? Because it could be poop.
Residue, no residue. Residue, no residue. The difference is obvious.
So click the link above to schedule your cleaning with Zerorez today.
Remember the name Zerorez. It's actually a palindrome, spelled the same forward and backwards. And so is this sentence. Your carpet will look its best after Zerorez cleans it. Tis nilk Zerorez refdet substilculaticraproy.
But hey, maybe you like paying your old carpet cleaner to come every few months. Mine was smoking hot.
Ma'am? How many rooms do you want me to clean?
Or maybe it was just the fumes from their chemicals. So go to Zerorez.com to schedule your cleaning today.